So the main differences between the ice tab and the blue tab, apart from the obvious, the colour, is the ice tab is a polycarbonate and the blue tab is a nylon. So the main difference is, though, the polycarbonate is a lot more rigid. You can see here there's very little in the way of flex, whereas you come to the nylon, there's a lot more flex involved in this, and obviously these are relatively cool today. Where would I use, or when would I use both of these? So a lot of that's going to be down to the individual personal preference, what type of repair you're doing. Is it GPR or is it PDR? They are going to be slightly different in the use. So the reasons we would use the ice tab would be if we're working with steel, they're going to pour around 25 to 30% harder than the equivalent nylon tab. Now, you may think, well, hang on a minute, the L2E system, we've shrunk down a lot of the ice tabs. Well, the process has become so good, and the flexibility of the tab, and obviously with a lot more aluminium being on the panel, until you start reducing the surface area, there wasn't really a huge need for the ice tabs in the larger tabs. It's only when you start to lose that surface area on the smaller tabs that it became a real importance. That's why there is the dead centers in both materials. The nylon having that bit more flexibility, as the tab comes up, as you start to point load the middle, obviously it's going to pull these sides in. Now, rather than having a direct upward tension, we're going to have almost like a lateral glue adhesion on either side of that. So they just pull a little bit differently. But what I would say, anyone that's unsure, try a couple out on a scrap panel. Try the different sizes, the crease tabs and the circular tabs, just to find out which suits your style of repair. A lot of hail technicians would love the ice tab, whereas a lot of the GPR technicians would more favour the blue tab. But I say it's there purely to aid you in how you want to repair.